In this video demonstration, I will show you how to calculate an RCA using data that I previously loaded into this TradeSift project. To find out how to download trade data from Comtrade and load this into your project, please see the video How to Load Trade Data into TradeSift. This video also explains how to download world trade data from WITS, which is required for this indicator. RCA stands for Revealed Comparative Advantage. This indicator therefore attempts to use trade flows to identify those sectors in which a country may have a comparative advantage. It provides an indication of which products have a higher or lower share in a country's total trade than in the world's total trade or in comparison to another country. If, for example, one product accounts for 40% of a country's total exports, but this same product only accounts for 10% of world total exports, then this country can be said to have a revealed comparative advantage in that product, because the share of that good in the country's total exports is higher than that of the world. To calculate an RCA in TradeSift, you will first need to click Indicators to display the available indicators in this panel above. This demonstration shows you the indicators available within TradeSift Pro. However, TradeSift Edu has a restricted number of available indicators. To start the RCA query wizard, click on RCA here. You will then be shown a brief introduction to the concept of revealed comparative advantage. For a more detailed explanation of the indicator, please see the TradeSift user manual, which can be accessed by clicking on the question mark icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. There are three types of RCA that can be calculated within TradeSift: Standard RCA with the world, bilateral RCA relative to another country, and bilateral RCA in a particular market. These are explained in detail in the user manual. To calculate a standard RCA, you will need to have export data from your country of interest to the world, as well as world export data to the world in your chosen nomenclature and digit level. Remember, the video How to Load Your Data into TradeSift shows you how to download world data from WITS. For the bilateral RCA, relative to another country, you will need to have export data from your country of interest to the world, as well as export data from your chosen comparator country to the world, all at the same nomenclature and digit level. For bilateral RCA in a particular market, you will need to have export data from your country of interest into your chosen market, as well as world export data into that chosen market. In this example, we will go through the steps to calculate a standard RCA. To do this, first select this option from the list here. In order to normalize the indicator's results to index values between -1 and +1, select the Normalize option here. This normalization means the index is suitable for cross-country, cross-sector, and cross-time comparisons. This makes it really easy to interpret, as a positive RCA shows you have a revealed comparative advantage, and a negative RCA shows that you do not have a revealed comparative advantage. Then proceed to select the nomenclature and digit level by clicking Next here. Select the HS nomenclature using this drop-down menu and then select the digit level you wish to use. In this example, we will use the 4-digit level. TradeSift displays a list of all the reporters the project has data for within the nomenclature and digit level you have selected. In this example, we will select one country, Tanzania. Now click Next to select the time period you are interested in. To select all years available at once, check this box here. click Next, where you will then be asked to select the industries. Here you are given 3 options. If you are only interested in a few industries or product groups, you can check either the Selected Industries or Selected Product Group options and then click Next. If you want to calculate an RCA for all 4-digit product codes, you can select All Industries and then click Next. In the How to Sort and Filter Trade Data video, I showed you how to save a range of products. We saved the list of the top 15 exported products from Tanzania to the world in 2014. This list is now saved in the Project Explorer, where you are able to reopen and view all the saved ranges you have stored in the project. We will now use the list of products we saved earlier in our RCA calculation, so it only provides information for these products. To do this, I will tick the Selected Industries box and then click Next. On this page, you can either manually select products from the list, or you can recall saved ranges by clicking on the Saved Ranges button here, which will then display a list of the ranges you have saved in this project. Select your chosen range and then click Next. You will now see a summary of your RCA data selection. If at any point throughout the RCA query wizard you would like to amend your choices, click the Back button in the top left-hand corner of the window. Once you are happy with your selection, click Finish. You will now see a list of RCAs that have been calculated for the top 15 exported products from Tanzania to the world. Tanzania can be said to have a revealed comparative advantage in a good when the export share of that good in proportion to its total exports is bigger than the export share of that good in world exports. An index of less than 0 suggests a revealed comparative disadvantage in a given product, and an index of greater than 0 suggests a revealed comparative advantage in the product. For example, if we take product code 7108, which includes a number of gold products, we can see that Tanzania consistently has a revealed comparative advantage in this product. You can easily change or amend your selection by reopening the RCA query wizard, or you can quickly access the relevant sections of the RCA query wizard to quickly change your selection by clicking on the relevant icon here. This provides a lot of flexibility and allows you to edit your selection really quickly. You can also produce charts, tables, or open the data in the inbuilt Spreadsheets program, Sheets, to further manipulate the data by clicking on these buttons here. To save this data selection, click Home on the Options bar, then click Save, and then enter the name of the data selection here. This data selection can then be accessed and recalled next time you open this project or at any point throughout your analysis from the Project Explorer here. You can also export this data in a range of formats by clicking Export here. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please visit tradesift.com. And please do get in touch with us if you have any questions.